Hey everybody! Hey, this is an assignment for this week. It's going to be through Thursday, so you should have it finished by the end of Thursday. You will have time in class to do it each day, and so I want you to work hard and do a nice job. So here's what this covers. This is going to be on mutations. You can either use Keynote or Google Slides, whatever you like. It's up to you. These are standards that will be covered right here. This is why we're doing it, and it fits right in with what we've been talking about how the chromosomes replicate themselves and match their proteins together, the cytosine and the guanine, the adenine and the thymine, and how that replicates so that new cells are formed. And so you're going to explore what are mutations, why mutations occur, which ones are beneficial and which ones are harmful. How does genetic variation affect natural selection? You're going to be learning for the first time much of this. And this is how the standards would like to start having you learn different things. So you are going to discover on your own at first. Okay? So you're going to make this Keynote or Google slideshow. The first slide is title slide. I have these all down here. Describe what mutations are, why and how do they occur. Fourth and fifth slide, find two beneficial mutations and how they've been helpful to organisms, whether it's people or animals. Sixth and seventh slide, find two harmful mutations that humans might acquire and describe them and how each affects the person that has that mutation in their chromosomes and genes. And the eighth slide, what is natural selection? You're going to find out what natural selection is. You're going to find out, and in your own words, you're going to explain. I want pictures on each side, at least one, that relate to what you are talking about, okay, or what you are writing about. And the ninth slide, how have mutations and genetic variation, which is pretty much similar. Mutations are the result of genetic variation that affect natural selection. Okay, so this is going to be a challenge for some of you. I think you're going to do a great job. You're going to do some investigating on the internet for this. Again, these are the standards that we have that need to be covered, and this is going to start covering them. Okay, you are going to do this without any copy and paste. Everything in your own words. It's very easy to spot if you choose to just copy and paste. Okay, you'll be doing it over, so you don't want that. And it's much like plagiarism if you do that. And then have pictures on each slide. So that makes it more interesting. You can do a good job. I know you can. You can make this interesting. You can use animation in the slideshow, whatever it takes to make a nice slideshow, interesting, entertaining for all of us. Okay? So, if you have any questions, please ask. But this is your job. Now, in the classroom, make sure that you're working and focused on this. Do not change to a different website, and don't waste time. Work on this. Okay? Each person will make their own. Each person will make their own. And then you might have to work on it at home too as homework in order to get it done in time. But I know you'll do a nice job. You'll do an excellent job. And I can't wait to see them. So, this is me signing off. Have a good day. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, working on this. See you later.